Treble, trouble, try. I can't stop buying. I don't know why. Got some spukers for these. Crap. Where's my knife? Hold on. Let me find. There it is. Okay, so we're gonna be opening up these spookers very carefully. I don't want to like cut into the top of my beautiful new spookers. They were free, so yay. You know, when people die, it's always very sad, and I truly feel bad for anybody involved. I just always hope that the stuff they leave behind is going to a good home. For example, usually if older people have collections of whatever, like glass, furniture, whatever, it all just goes to the thrift store. It happened with my grandpa, and it happened with most of the stuff that I own today. Try not to leak anything. Ooh, beautiful. So what I truly hope is that whoever passes away is peaceful, will be in peace, and will also have all of his cool stuff given to somebody who appreciates it. Look at that. Like this guy. Wow. Trust. Look at that. I trust that. Alright, let's put them down somewhere. There they are. Spookers indeed. We got tone, volume, power. Let's plug them in. What taught me from the past recording is always record when you do anything. It's better to cut it out later than to miss essential parts of the recording. Okay then. Let's plug them in. There's no hum noise. Maybe they don't work. Of course they do. Else you wouldn't hear this. Alright, let's plug them in. Here we have a ThinkPad. Let's resume Windows on this. This is the old one, as you can see. It has the no logo, no this, and the horribly, horribly scratched top that I don't care about because 3 mysterious scratches appeared on the new ThinkPad. And I don't want any more to appear, so I'm just gonna return to the old one. Or wait until I can get at least a few extra tops. Okay, that sounds weird. We're in. Now, we're gonna test it out. And we're gonna figure out which one is the... We're just gonna plug it in headphones. Dear God. It's fine. It's just a plug. There we go. We're gonna download Scarlet Fire because we don't want to get any copyright strikes like the last 25 times. Now VLC Media Player is about to open. There we have it. Yikes! Loud. Amazing. The right speaker isn't now just getting my right ear is just clogged again. Amazing. Oop.